Hello friends, today I am introducing about the topics of class 11th physics, mathematics, biology and chemistry and the preview of that subjects what I likely in completing those for 10 or 15 days of the rest in the class 11th midterms syllabus the sets relation functions and trigonometry function complex number and quadratic equations linear equality permutation and combination the chapters are those who comes in the exam of the midterm and mainly I clear the sets relation function trigonometry is remaining a bit last exercise of the trigonometry functions which is difficult but I suggest you the math of class 11th is not such a difficult subject for choosing that because I in the 15 or 20 days I complete that the concepts of numbers and that those the chapter which are come in the midterm obviously and the examples also be and help to be an overthrough that the questions and mostly the questions of the from the NCRT and now we move to the another books like physics I think very difficult of class 11th I don't been handle and complete the questions of the chapters I suggest you to solve these questions by the uh, take the videos of the study IQ and others which helps you a lot for solving and you can you give the motivation to solve and only you solve the questions from the viewing the video then you are can be able to solve the questions from itself at like that the chemistry is too much such like a physics a lot of mm, a lot of a lot of a lot of calculations or the mathematics it is a very essential part of that the someone who can be and want to win take the PCMB so it is the best option because in the chemistry and physics mostly use the high level math which are the capable one who can be and calculate fastly and quickly so the advantage of the PCM in this field for solving the physics and chemistry